Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sohail and I am with you today with another video. Today I'm going to review my motorbike shoes. These are new ones I've just bought. They are Akito Citizen boots. I'm sure you'll like these as well. Stay tuned for details. So here we are guys. These are Akito Citizen boots, obviously brown in color. They've got quite nice shape actually. They look like normal, you know, town wear sort of summer sort of shoes. I've bought these from J&S in Farnborough. J&S is a motorcycle clothing and accessory shop. Just so that I get this out of the way, this is not a paid review, so you can be confident that I'm going to give you my honest opinion. They're obviously lace shoes. They're brown. They've got leather top. They're fully waterproof. Openings really good actually. And what else have they got? So they've got reinforced gear change panel here. Now these are non-slip oil and petrol resistant soles, so which is, I guess, is brilliant, you know, when you're going for a fill up at the petrol station and you confident that, you know, you can put your foot down and it's not going to slip. And they have ankle protection here. It's got a little you know, it's a nice smart little logo there, but the back of it, you know, about this much on this side and about this much on this side. I can feel it, you know. It's really nice ankle protection here. It's got protection in this the back of my heel and also here, like any normal shoes, I guess. So but what I like about these ones, they come with, you know, a nice price tag as well. This is so it doesn't break your bank. You're talking about only £60 for 60 quid. I think these are a fantastic buy actually. So I quite like these. I'm going to put these on now, and I don't know if you've seen my last review. I did another one of Akito's boots review, and I'll put the link up the top somewhere around here, and you can see that. I'll try and put these on with my normal socks and also my thick socks. So let me put these on now and tell you what they feel like. So these are really comfortable, you know, so I quite like these. You know, still gives quite a lot of movement for the foot. For 60 quid, they're not bad. So let me try these now with my thick socks as well. These are quite snug at the moment. And once again, they really feel comfortable, you know, even with my thick socks. You know, they're still obviously snug, but I can feel a lot of comfort in these. So I wouldn't have any issues with you know, walking around with these shoes at all. So that's it guys, this was today's review, and yep, this was the Akito Citizen boots. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please hit the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll be with you again in my next video.